Notice that it's not keeping the point of interest. We did punch in, as you've seen, for the water tower to be the point of interest, and it seems to have turned the drone, but it's not catching the point of interest. So I'm not sure what I've done wrong there. And we did do a custom setting to tell it to face the point of interest. Very strange. And we did make the point of interest the same for each waypoint. But anyways, this is the simplest way to do your waypoints. Now you can also pre-program your drone for waypoints. We'll just do a short one here. We have her in waypoints. We could do there and here. And let's see. There. There. Okay, let's move these waypoints. We'll move those waypoints here. And we're actually will do the first waypoint here. Okay. Yeah, we'll have to look into that, guys, for the POI, because for some reason she did not keep the POI. She did not keep her eye on this tower here, which is what we had for a point of interest. Anyways, guys, we'll have to do another video on the POI. But as you could see, we did try it, and it didn't work out like we wanted it to. Anyways, guys, I hope you like this little demonstration of the waypoints on the DJI Mini 4. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Boy, my hands are freezing out here.